No different, you say it looks. I gotta tighten this. Everything lines up good, but I didn't tighten it all the way. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I got sick of doing it. Yeah, see, these had to go on the top up here. Oh, when you put the front bumper on, anyone putting one of these cars' front bumpers on, first you gotta connect this piece to the bumper, and then with this piece connected to the bumper with that bottom bracket, then you put it on the car. Wow, it's gonna look really good with the hood on it. And like I said, I was just edging the part. I wasn't trying to paint, and I chipped it right now. Look, trying to get this damn thing on here. I made a little chip. But that's okay. That can be painted when I paint it. I don't know how I chipped it right there, but yeah, it's got to be adjusted a little bit too. But overall, it lines up pretty good, I would say. And I just got that in there again. A lot nicer than how it was. Like, subscribe, share, and hit the thumbs up for the painting conclusion coming soon.